People are watching more video on the internet than they watch television. This is in large part thanks to online streaming services such as Netflix. But the epicenter of online video content is YouTube. It is the home of the now ubiquitous viral video, along with mountains of educational series. It has also turned into the hub for explainer videos. The rising star in the online struggle for business dominance is the explainer video. They have proven to be amazingly effective in generating interest in a product or service relative to reading text on a website somewhere. And you only have to watch one to find out why. They are usually short, often whimsical, and nicely animated. The information that they are delivering has been made easily digestible by their simple and accessible format, and people are responding with their wallets. Here are 4 reasons why. They improve search engine optimization. Explainer videos are meant to provide a certain level of entertainment via the clever and delightful character animation on display. When the video has been embedded in the business website, Google's algorithms can tell how long a person has been on the page. Google ranks pages higher when users spend more time on them. The video can also be tagged and have keywords in the description that link back to the business website, again taking advantage of the system that Google has set up to rank websites. They communicate simply and effectively what you are selling. Reading text on a screen, no matter how well written it is, often can result in confusion if the message is garbled with vague terminology. When coupled with moving imagery, the intent of the message becomes more focused and specific. The amount of information getting through is a lot higher. They help generate buzz for your brand. The market for online videos is huge and getting bigger every year. A website called Comscore has data on the amount of videos your average person sees each month, and it's a whopping 32.2 videos. Out of the time they spend watching them per month, 16 minutes and 49 seconds is taken up by watching advertising. Part of what makes all of this possible is the fact that videos are easily shareable. Regardless of what social media platform one prefers, videos are being shared left, right and centre. If the video is good enough and the value of the product is shining through, the buzz resulting from its existence in the shareosphere could be pure digital gold. Visitors respond with their open wallets. These videos can be incredibly motivating. The sales pitch is consolidated brilliantly with the on-point message, great script and delightful and creative animation. Mix that with simplicity and brevity, which lends itself wonderfully to the current short attention span of your regular web user, and the likelihood of the conversion goes up, which means the visitor will be converted to a customer. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, feel free to hit like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell button.